Welcome, dear students. We will discuss some remaining arithmetic instructions. In the previous classes, we have studied the four important arithmetical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Also, in the last class, we have studied the arithmetic operations as logical operations, AND logic, OR logic, NOT, that is complementary logic, and XOR logic. Today we shall discuss about some other important arithmetic operations used in 8051 microcontroller. Some of the arithmetic instructions used in 8051 microcontroller are CLR, clear instructions, SCTB, set bit instructions, and XCH, exchange instructions, SWAP, swap operations, swap instructions, and rotation instructions. Now in this video, we are studying clear instruction, set bit instruction, exchange instruction, swap instruction, and rotation instructions. These are all instructions we use in 8051. Now first, clear instructions. CLR, clear. It is an operational code used as arithmetic instructions to clear the content of any register. Usually the register A is considered. Whatever the content present in A, you can clear it to 0 by using instructions clear. So clear A. This clear is opcode, A is operand. You see, there is no destination and source, it has only destination. So CLR, clear A. This means that whatever the content present in A is clear to 0. Now A becomes equal to 0. Example, if I load some value to the register A by the instructions move A comma hash 4DH, that is A contains the value 4DH. Now if I write CLR space A, clear A, the content present in A is 4D. Now you clear it to 0. Clear A means A clears to 0, that is A is equal to 0. So in this way you can clear the content of A to 0 from any value. So there are many methods to clear the content of A. Example, suppose move A comma hash FF. Then I will write CPLA, complementary A. A is equal to FF means 11111111. Complementary A means complement each bit of the content present in the register A. Then A is equal to complement of 1 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That is equal to 0, 0, H. Thus, the content of A becomes 0. So, this is one of the instructions to clear the content of A. Another instruction is CLR, clear A. Whatever may be the value present previously in the register A, that is clear to 0. Clear A means A is equal to 0. In this way, another example, move A comma hash FF. Move R0 comma hash 00. AND logic ANL A comma R0. Here A, in the first case, A is loaded with FF value. In this case, second case, R0 register is valued with 00. FF means 11111111. 0 means 00000000. Now, the third instruction, AND logic A or not. Whatever the content of R naught is, AND functions with the content present in A. So these two are in AND functions. So 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0. Therefore, you get all 0, 0, 0, 0. Thus, A is equal to 0, 0, H. So there are many methods to clear the content of A. But one of the simplest method is clear A. This clears whatever the content present in A to 0. Another one mathematical instruction is set bit, 4 letter, set bit. That is, bit means a single digit. The microcontroller register, certain register has 8 bits. Select any one bit, then you can set it to 1. For that, you are using instructions set bit. Set bit means set the bit to 1, whatever may be the value, previous value of the bit. If the previous value of the bit is 0 or 1, whatever it may be, set bit makes that bit to 1. So, example, let us consider the program status word. Program status word is a bit addressable. Set bit is used only for bit addressable because it sets only a single bit. So no all 8 bits are used here. Only single bit of the given 8 bit is used. Therefore set bit is a bit address instructions. Program status word is a bit address instruction. Program status, we have already studied, it has 8 bits. 0 bit is called program status word 0 bit. Program status word first bit. Like that, program status word last bit, that is 7th bit. Program status word 0 bit is parity flag P. Program status word first bit is not used. Program status word of 7th bit is carry flag CY. Program status word bit 6 is our auxiliary carry. Like that, you have 8 bits of program status word. Since program status word is a bit addressable, you can apply the instruction set bit to the program status word of any bit. Example, set bit program status word 7. What it makes? Program status word 7th bit is what? Carry flag. Make the carry flag to 1. Set bit program status word 7 means it makes the carry flag to 1. CLR, clear, program status word 7 means the carry flag goes to 0. Clear means it clears the content. Similarly, another example, set bit program status word 0.6. This gives you the 7th bit of program status word, that is auxiliary carry flag. Set bit program status word 6th bit is auxiliary carry goes to 1. And also you know that in RAM locations, the RAM address from 20 to 2F, 20 to 2F are used as bit addressable. So you can set any bit to 1 using these RAM locations. Here example, set bit 21. That means the 21 is the RAM locations, a bit addressable RAM location. Whatever is the value present in the 21 bit address, it is cleared to 0. In this way, you can use set bit to set the bit to 1. Set bit means that bit is set to 1. 21, first 21 bit addressable comes in the byte address 20 to 2F in RAM location is set to 1. Set bit to 1. Now let us study the another instructions. XCH. XCH means exchange. If we will be given two datas present in source address and destination address, then you can exchange the data between the source and the destination using instruction XCH. XCH is operational code used to exchange the data between the two registers. So XCH is the operational code used to exchange the two data between the source and the destinations. Examples of exchange. Now I will load A to some value as 4FH. Now A contains 4FH. Hexadecimal H means hexadecimal number 4F. I will load move R0 comma hash 2BH. That is, the register R0 is now loaded with the value 2B hexadecimal number. Now if I write XCH A comma R0, this shows that whatever the content present in R0 is exchanged to A. Whatever the data present in A is exchanged to R0. That is, the content present in R0 and the content present in A are exchanged. XCH A comma R0 now gives you A equals 2BH and R0 is equal to 4FH. That is simply the data are exchanged. So this is another important arithmetic operation we use in 8051 microcontroller while we are doing some programs, assembly language programs. So you can have any number of examples. So exchange means it exchanges the data between the source and the destination. The source may be anything, the destination may be any register. It exchanges the data from between the two registers. The instruction used is exchange destination comma source. Now another important is swap. Swap operation SWAP. It is a 4-letter. SWAP swap. That is, this is an arithmetic operation used in arithmetic instructions in 8051. Swap means you know that a byte consists of 8 bit. 4 bit is called nibble. Example, if the register A contains 4AH, what is 4? 0, 1, 0, 0 given by the binary numbers. A hexadecimal number, convert this into binary number. 1010 is A. Here totally 8 bit. 1 byte consists of 8 bit. But the 4 bit is called nibble. This is lower nibble. To the right, the 4 digit is called nibble. This is called higher nibble. Swap operation, what it does, swap operation changes the lower nibble into higher nibble and higher nibble into lower nibble. So care must be taken to see that the instructions between swap and exchange. Exchange only exchanges the entire data, all 8-bit data from source to destination. Whereas swap, it should have only a register A only. Swap A means whatever the data present in A is swapped. That is, lower nibble becomes higher nibble, higher nibble becomes lower nibble. Example, if A equals 4AH, that is, I will load A, move A comma hash 4A, that is A is equal to 4AH. Now I will write swap, SWAP, 4 letter, space A. Swap A means the lower nibble is A and higher nibble is 4. These two are exchanged. Therefore, now A goes to A4H. So, swap only does the exchange of lower nibble into higher nibble into lower nibble. Another example, move A comma hash 4DH. Swap A. That means now A becomes D4H. D lower nibble which goes to upper nibble, 4 higher nibble which goes to lower nibble. Therefore, D4 is the content present in A. In this way, you are using swap operations.